Hi everybody, this is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about leafy greens, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with leafy salad greens. And we're talking about the salad greens today, like lettuce and arugula and spinach, greens like that. In the proteins category that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have almonds, bacon, beans in general, beef, black beans, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, ham, hazelnuts, lamb, lentils, nuts in general, peanuts, peas, pecans, pine nuts, pistachios, pork, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, sugar snap peas, sunflower seeds, tahini, tofu, tuna and other seafood, turkey, and walnuts. In the vegetables category, other vegetables that pair well with salad greens includes beets, bell peppers, carrots, cauliflower, celery, celery root, chayote squash, chilies and chili paste, chives, cucumber, fennel, jicama, leeks, mushrooms, nori, onions, parsnips, potatoes, radicchio, radishes, scallions, shallots, sprouts, tomatoes, and watercress. In the fruits category, fruits that go well with salad leafy greens includes apples, apricots, especially dried apricots, avocados, blackberries, blueberries, cranberries, especially the dried variety, figs, grapefruit, grapes, lemons, limes, mangoes, olives, oranges, pears, persimmons, pomegranate seeds, raspberries, raisins, strawberries, and tangerines. In the grains and grain products category, there's bulgur, corn chips, corn tortillas, croutons, quinoa, and rice. In the dairy and non-dairy products category, there is buttermilk, cheese in general, but especially assaggio, blue cheese, cheddar, feta, goat, gorgonzola, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheeses, creme fraiche, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there is honey, mayonnaise, miso, mustard, as in prepared mustard, oil, especially flaxseed, grapeseed, olive, and sesame oils, soy sauce, tamari, Worcestershire, I can't say that, Worcestershire sauce, vinegar, especially balsamic, champagne, cider, red wine, rice wine, sherry, tarragon, and white wine vinegars, and vinaigrette dressings. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.